Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Juicy Rock. And as you know, today is Baby Steve Day. It's Sunday. Which reminds me Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are my vlogs. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays are Gigi's vlogs. And Sundays are Baby Steve episodes. And yeah. Guys, if you're watching this and you have a channel, like a YouTube channel, all you need to do, today, you could subscribe, hit that post notification bell, also like this video, and comment down below that you did that, so I could subscribe to your guys' channel. So yeah guys, it's Baby Steve Day, and I'm doing a Baby Steve episode. Oh wait, I forgot to say, sorry about we didn't do a video yesterday. We were busy, but don't worry guys. We'll probably do another video tomorrow. So yeah guys, remember, like and subscribe. So so this Baby Steve episode is about, well, it's called The Toy Cat. Wait a second, let me just... Okay, it's called The Toy Cat, and what it's about is Baby Goojoo gives Baby Steve a toy cat for a present, and you'll see how it goes. Remember guys, enjoy the episode, and yeah. That's right, it's Baby Steve. Okay guys, so we know that the second plan also failed. You got that? Okay, so that's why I built another machine that is called the Dummy Machine. It could make Baby Goojoo dumb, so she doesn't have to prank me anymore. Oh, Baby Steve, Baby Goojoo has a present for you. Sorry, Mom, we're in the middle of a mission. What kind of mission? Bring the present in. Dun, dun. Great, in the box. Is it in the box? Of course it is, honey. It's a bomb. Oh, honey, don't be silly. I know my smells, and it's a bomb. How about you check it out first? What? A toy cat? Oh, wow. Oh, Baby Steve, did you forget to say thank you? Okay, so where's the remote? There is no remote. You're saying to me that there is no remote? Yup. Out. Oh, hello, Baby Steve. Aha, so there he is sleeping. Aha, there's some proof to get Baby Steve in trouble. Now I have a CD to prove it. Oh, Mrs. Wilson. Mrs. Wilson, I have something to show you. Feast your eyes on this. CD. Honey, that's a Juicy Rock action figure. What? Oh, cool. Wait, what? Mom, I have something to show you. And now, I could get Baby Steve in trouble. No. Okay, guys. So that was the episode of Baby Steve. Remember, guys, like I said earlier, like and subscribe, hit that post notification bell, comment down below that you did it, and I could subscribe to your guys' channel. So remember, guys, be a part of the J Squad, or just be a Juicy Rocker, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.